Hello everyone, welcome to this course. Before diving into the content, I have something interesting to share. Did you know that 75% of our current viewers are not subscribed? If you are enjoying what you are seeing, click the follow, like, and share buttons now. Arrays, also known as lists, are one of the most commonly used data structures in Python. They allow storing an ordered collection of elements. Array can hold different types of objects, such as integer, strings, and even other arrays. But there is another way to use array in the style of the C or Pascal languages. This is done by using the sublibrary called array from the NumPy library. How is it done? The first thing is to include the library in our code like this, from NumPy import array. The syntax is as follows: R equal to array. Then within parentheses, we put the type in square brackets. Here the type is an integer followed by an asterisk and the number of elements we want to reserve for our array. The first element has an index of 0, the second has an index of 1, and so on. If we declare an array of 3 elements, the indices will be 0, 1, and 2. Now we will read the array. In the for loop, we specify the number of elements to read. For e in range of 3, be cautious not to exceed the already declared number. Then r of I equals a regular Python reading method, as we have seen in the course Python Basics, which you can find on my channel. After reading, I display the array to verify its content. For e in range of 3, I display the string r of I equal to the value of r of I. Now I run the code. First element I enter 10, 20, 30. This is the element I have entered, and I verify the content of the array, 10, 23. It's okay. Next, we can perform any processing we want, such as finding the sum of elements or sorting the array, etc. An improvement would be to put the reading in a function called lecture and the writing in another function called écriture. Def lecture of R followed by the read loop, then def écriture of R followed by the write loop. And the two calls to read and write the array. We could have also added the size of the array as a parameter, which we will cover in a dedicated lesson on parameter pricing. Let's verify through execution that it works properly. I enter 3 values and I get the same value. It's okay. I hope that was clear and that it helps you in your learning of the Python language. That's all for